Nagamit pang imbalsamo, if I'm not mistaken. So, ibig sabihin, buhay pa yung mga nagbe-vape, inimbalsamo na. Parang gano'n natang lumilitaw. My first question is regarding vape. Meron mo ba makapagsabi sa akin from the DOH or FDA, ano po yung chemical that goes into vape?
Well, actually, Mr. President, maraming chemicals talaga yan. Kaya nga ang mga health advocates and ang mga doktor, hindi ho sila nilalabanan nila yung paniniwala na itong mga pag-vape healthier dahil napakaraming chemicals. Lalo na ho yung mga may flavor, hindi pa nga natin alam minsan kung ano yung nandyan dahil yung mga small companies kung ano-anong nilalagay. But as the question has been asked, I will now give a more technical answer. But I do know that it varies. Not one company has a single list of ingredients. This is according to DTI, no? Kasi as His Honor knows, napunta yung jurisdiction doon. Pero ang kadalasan na laman na harmful, I'm going to read just the harmful ones, no? Acrolein, acrylamide, acetamide, acetaldehyde, hydroxycarbonyls, dicarbonyls, propylene oxide, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Ito po ay mga kinikilalang may mga carcinogens. And then of course, yung mas kilalang harmful talaga ay yung nicotine at yung formaldehyde.
Yes, exactly. Thank you, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Formaldehyde, yan po ating ginagamit pang imbalsamo, if I'm not mistaken. So, ibig sabihin, buhay pa yung mga nagbe-vape, inimbalsamo na. Parang gano'n natang lumilitaw. So, ano pong ginagawa ng FDA natin para masiguro na itong mga chemicals, especially minention ni Madam Sponsor, mailagay doon sa karton sa label para yung mga may balak pa lamang mag-vape, mag-research sila, makikita nila yung mga chemicals na nakasulat doon, then hindi na sila ma-encourage na mag-vape. And then yung mga iba na nagbe-vape na, pag nakita nila yung nakasulat doon yung formaldehyde, at alam nila, pang-imbalsa mo yun, baka tumigil sila. So, pwede bang magkaroon ng sistema na ngayon ang DOH and FDA in coordination with the DTI na para ilagay na yung mga chemicals that goes into vape?
And that is precisely the issue that this representation raised when the law regulating e-cigarettes and vapes was passed because the jurisdiction was transferred to DTI. So in that sense, natatali ang kamay ng DOH and FDA, even though I'm always prodding them to be more active because the law itself gave the jurisdiction. So yung listahan ng ingredients na yan, I actually spoke to the acting secretary of DTI yesterday kasi kahapon po yung kanilang budget deliberation.